Here's how you open a new file in Lumio. I can just go to the new button in my Google Drive and go down to More, and then across, and then all the way down to Lumio. And you can wait, and it spins a little bit. Now, the first time you do this, it will take you to a page where you will log in with your Google username and password. And then it will take you on to your Lumio dashboard. And then you'll see here, once I'm in there, I can go add activities, I can add a new file, a new page, or I can go straight to adding a YouTube video or any of these other things. Or I can click Import Resource, and maybe I have a notebook file saved in my local storage or in my Drive, or I could find a Google Doc or Google Slides or even a PDF file. So I can open that other file, and even down the road, once I've opened that file, I'll be able to integrate pages from other files as well, which is a pretty exciting and recent update. Anyway, as an example, here's a file in my Drive. I'm just going to click on that file, and it's a Google Doc, and I can open it here in Lumio. Now, there is a quicker way to do this that I'm going to show you in just a minute. So anyway, let's let that file open. There's the pages in it. So I can choose, that's the page I want to open in the app, and then edit, and opens it in the Lumio editor. You'll know you're in the editor because it has a blue interface, and it also saves the newly created Lumio file in both my Lumio account in the dashboard there, and also in my own Drive, Google Drive. So if I click back to my Drive and go to my recents, I'll see I now have a Lumio file called Online Networking Apps, and that is this file that's sitting right here. Now, the other quicker way where I could have opened that file is actually from directly within my Google Drive itself. So when I open my Google Drive, I can go directly to the file. Could be slides, could be a spreadsheet, could be a PDF, could be a notebook file. I just go straight to that file, I right-click on it, and I can say Open with Lumio. Now, this way, if I do it this way, I don't have to go through a two-step process to open it. I just say Open in, scroll down, Lumio, and then it will give me the thumbnails from my file. And I will choose the thumbnails that I would like to open within Lumio, and then it will open that file or portions of that file as chosen right within Lumio itself. Now, sometimes it takes a little while for the thumbnails to appear, so sometimes you have to be a little bit patient opening files in Lumio. But once they have appeared, you can choose whether you would like to import all of the pages or just some of them. So in this case, I'd like to select all, and I will click Add. And now it's going to create my Lumio version of the file, and as I demonstrated earlier, it will add that file right back into my Google Drive as well as onto the Lumio dashboard. So this is pretty fun because now I have the presentation that we've got today complete with all the links, and the next step will be that if I want that, I will be able to make it interactive for you. So if I click on Finish Editing, you can see what it looks like on the Lumio presentation side. There it is. And if I click Start, I can then present it. And so now, not only do I have my presentation that I can share with you, but the links will work. That's the page we're working on right now. And I'm able to annotate right on it, and I'm also able to write text right on top of the page itself. So, very cool. So that is how you create a new file in Lumio or open a file in Lumio to augment in ways we'll demonstrate in the next videos. I hope you found this helpful.